Look at me now, if I fuck with your nigga, he part of me down. He'll be blowing the bag if he ever was mine. This pussy talk Benjamin Franklin's now. Look at the drip in my step. Look at the Montclair, the T to the vest. Keep putting me
Hey YouTube, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I went ahead and toned this wig out of some bundles and installed it. So I'm just going to let you guys go ahead and watch this quick video on how I got this hair, how I got this look. And yeah, so go ahead and keep watching. So right now, this is what the wig looks like. It's super yellow, super blonde. So yeah, we're gonna get rid of that. Okay, this is definitely gonna have to grow on me, cause what the fuck, you guys. So I never did 613 hair before, so I'm not gonna really be talking. I'm literally gonna be focused on my hair so hard because I have never did this before, and you could literally see through the lace, so that's nice. Oh, put it that low. Might take some forehead away, yeah. Definitely. Duh. Why wouldn't that? So I know I said that I was gonna show you guys me toning the bundles, but I didn't. So this is a wig, and I did end up buying a bundle for it because I'm at the point where I add bundles to all my wigs. And I went ahead and dipped it inside of the purple shampoo a couple times just until it went ahead and lightened up. I feel like the yellow is still inside the wig, but it was light enough for me to be able to put it on and be comfortable with the color. So I'm going to go ahead and add this Bio Silk. It's just some flat iron serum. I'm going to add it to my hair. I'm going to blow dry it, and then I'm going to add a little bit more and then just start flat ironing. One thing I did notice that I did, because I did tone the bundles and the wig separately, I left the bundle inside of the water just sitting, and it did get more white than the wig, preferably the white that I wanted, but I was scared to leave the wig in there because some parts were turning super white, some parts were. So like I said, I never had 613 before, so I was just playing with the hair, but I still got a color that I liked.
Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
With you tonight is on an island. It's about time we're waking up. Found you as a with you waking up. I ain't even said I think this he touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone without you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? With you having it, that is all
So if you made it this far in this video, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you come back for more. I know I didn't do as much talking in this video because I was trying to focus. Let me tell you, because I never did nothing like this. I never even touched blonde hair before. So I was trying to focus very hard on what I was doing. So yeah, so if you like this look, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe once again. And make sure you come back for more. Bye.
Kill all these bitches' careers like back to back. I was just small, but look at me now. If I fuck with your nigga, he part of me down. He'll be blowing the back.